Hello students, hope you all are fit and fine. So children, in previous video I told to you about the parts of a flower. Hibiscus flower parts I show to you all. Now beta we will know in this topic types of flower. Types or kinds of flower there, how many types of flowers are there. Okay, so beta flowers can be classified into many ways, but there are mainly two ways according to them flowers can be classified. First, depending on the presence of male and female reproductive parts. Depending on the male and female reproductive parts, the flower are of two types. Firstly, the bisexual flower, and secondly is the a unisexual flower. Here, as you can understand from the name bi means two. Bi means two. Bisexual flower, the flower which have both male and female part. For example, let me explain you bisexual flower, like which have both stamen and pistil. Both parts which flower have, that are called the bisexual flower. Okay, and these flowers are also called what? Hermaphrodite flowers. Okay, for example, चाइना रोज, मस्टर्ड, पी, ग्राम, चने का जो पौधा है, पिट्यूनिया, रोज, these all flower are bisexual flower, and these have both the reproductive part, for example stamen and pistil. Okay, in one flower both the reproductive parts are present. Next, children, unisexual flower. From the name you can understand uni means single. Unisexual flower, these type of flower children have only one reproductive part, either may have the male part or may have the female part. Okay, like they may have stamen or they may have pistil, but they both are not present in one flower. So that's why these are called what? Unisexual flower. For example, like cucumber, pumpkin, papaya, maize, coconut, these all are the example of unisexual flower. But this is the type. There are two type of flower, bisexual and unisexual flower, according to on which basis, that the female on the basis of presence of female and male part. In which flower both parts are present, that is called bisexual flower, and in which flower only male or female part is present, that is called unisexual flower. Okay children, now beta, on the basis of the flower is having all the holes, you know, all the layers of flower, if present, all the layers are present or not present in a flower. According to that, the flower are divided into two type. First is the complete flower, second is the incomplete flower. Incomplete flower, all the four holes like sepal, petal, stamen and pistil all are present. Okay, like all the parts in complete flower, all the parts are present. Okay, for example, China rose, petunia, mustard, pea, etc. In these flowers, sepal, petal, pistil and stamen are present. But in incomplete flower, in these type of flower may have one or more holes, but there is. Now children, we will discuss about the incomplete flower. In these type of flower may not have one part of the flower or may not have more than one part of the flower. Okay, so like pumpkin and papaya, these are the incomplete flower. So I hope you all understand about the types of